Hi, I'm Rod with Trifecta Growth Institute with your Restoration Project Tip of the Week. Today we are going to follow up on a previous tip, hitting capacity and the need for delegation. In case you missed it, we addressed the need to assess whether we had someone who we could delegate a task that we did not have time for or should not be doing. Today we are going to expand on that topic by providing some tips on how to delegate tasks. Okay, so let's talk assessing talent. Believe it or not, this is a bittersweet moment, mainly because you have resigned yourself to let go. We know this can be extremely hard. However, assessing your team's strengths, weaknesses, and capacity is crucial to aligning tasks with the right team member. It also forces you to really think about the task and refresh yourself with the objectives of the task and the team members to see if they can be aligned. During this process, you may discover you need someone with a bigger understanding and capacity to take on more complex responsibilities. If so, great. I'm sure it will grow your company's capabilities. Next, you must employ the 3 E's for the delegation to be successful. The 3 E's are expectations, education, and an empowerment. You must set clear expectations when you hand off the task. The new task owner must understand what is being asked of them. For example, provide clear, concise, and consistent communication of the process, key success criteria, and include metrics to measure their performance. The second E, education, is key. It must address the gaps between the current skill set and the desired outcome you want to achieve. Give them the why for the task. Allow them to ask questions and provide input from their perspective. This will allow you to leverage their thought process and employ critical thinking. The final E is to empower the new task owner, which allows them to take ownership. You must have the trust and confidence in them and provide the right level of authority and resources for them to be successful so that it does not fall back on your plate. Finally, you must nurture the new task owner by being patient, available, and allowing room for failure. Being available and approachable is so vital to the new task owner to feel comfortable in asking questions. Also, put your patients on notice and let them know this is not going to get done the same way or in the same amount of time that you could have done it. So don't think of this as a failure. Instead, use this as a leadership opportunity. All right, let's recap. Successful delegation of tasks is not only about letting go, but it's also about setting others up for success and providing them with a growth opportunity. By aligning the right person with the right skill will be a force multiplier. Employing the 3 E's, expectations, education, and empowerment will lay a solid foundation to build upon. Nurturing is the fertilizer that instills trust and confidence and creates an avenue for growth and improvement to delegating tasks properly, which will be a huge benefit for you, your team, and the entire organization. Okay, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching our Restoration Project Tip of the Week. If you like this information and want to learn more, visit us at trifectagrowthinstitute.com to get the latest and greatest training, leadership, and coaching in the industry. Finally, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook so that you can get more of these great tips and upcoming training course information. Until next week, see you later.